Home is where the heart is. And if your heart is in South Bangalore, we have the perfect nest for it. Presenting homes for people with obsessive South Bangalore syndrome. Presenting Purva Park Hill, a premium residential property on Kanakapura Road. Stay in an elite and exquisite neighborhood, surrounded by the lush greenery of the Turahalli forest. The peaceful vibe of the Art of Living International Center and the fine entertainment of Ranga Shankara. Give your family the finest of everything with reputed schools, hospitals and convenience stores in the vicinity of the property. What's more, make your everyday travel effortless with well-distributed connectivity. At Park Hill, your obsession with South Bangalore and its exclusiveness gets a permanent place to rest. Book your dream home in your dream location today.